Welcome. This is the second question on use substitution form of integration. Please, we make use of use substitution form of integration when the integration doesn't go directly. So we apply substitution and change in variable so that we can be able to integrate a function. So how does use substitution work? Okay, you observe that this particular function, expanding it will lead to more complex form. So all we have to do is that the longest expression of x in the function, we assign it to be u. That's the first step. So you can write your u to be the longest form, 3x minus 2x minus 3, which is the item in the box. So we are going to rewrite all this function to be in terms of u. To do that, you can now see we have the integral of 2 u is now 2x minus 3. We have it u, then to the 3 over 2 dx. Then again, how do we replace the x? For us to get the x, we have to differentiate u with respect to x. So when you differentiate u with respect to x, that is du dx, you can now see that we have to differentiate this function. To differentiate 2x in this box, we have to minus 1 from the power, okay? And the power is 1 already, so you can see that it is 2. Then, differentiating a constant is 0. So the next step is to make x the subject formula. To do that, we cross and multiply. You see we have that du is equal to 2 dx. Then to get the x, we have to divide through by 2 and divide through by 2. If you divide by 2, you see that the x is actually du over 2. So we have arrived here. Then we have to plug in dx to be du over 2. So you can see that we have the integral of 2u to 3 over 2 power. Then dx is what? Du over 2. So since we got this, you can see we simplify. 2 will cross out 2. We are now having the integral of u to the power of 3 over 2 du. So the next step is to integrate this function. It's just the usual way of integrating now. So to integrate this function, we have u. We are going to add 1 to the power, 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by 3 over 2 plus 1. This is the general form of integration. Then plus c, the constant of integration. Here, you see that we have u to the, if you add 3 over 2 to 1, you are getting it to be 5 over. When you still add the new power, you have it to be 5 over 2. Then plus c. Then if you simplify this function more, you can see you're having it to be 2u over 5 to 5 over 2 power plus the constant of integration. Then the general form now is that you are going to substitute the value of u. That's back substitute. You can see you have it to be 2 into 2x minus 3 all over 5